Hello children, good morning everyone. Welcome to Gautam Model School, Manasthalipuram UKG children. Yes, children, this is in your term 3 textbook page number 23. Children, in the previous class we have learned in the kitchen. So here the different things we have learned children which kept in the kitchen in the different places, right? So after this, after this means like related to this, we are going to learn where are the things kept. That means in, on, under. Here you can see all these things are kept on the table, right? Here these two boxes kept in the shelf. Here this is on the kitchen platform, right? So in this way we have learned. Here children, in this page, on, in, under, we are going to learn. Children, where are they? Things where they are we are going to learn. T-H-E, the, H-E-N, hen, H-E-N, hen, is, I-S, is, O-N, on, the bed, B-E-D, bed. The hen is on the bed. Where is the hen children? The hen is on the bed. Where is the hen? On the bed. Here, the T-H-E, the man, M-A-N, man is in the van. I-N, in the van. In the van. Where is the man children? In the van. The man is sitting in the van, right? So, the position of the things, noun we are learning children. The position of the noun we are learning here. So, where the things are kept. Here, the T-H-E, the cat is on the mat. O-N, on the mat. The cat is on the mat. Where is the cat children? On the mat. The cat is on the mat. T-H-E, the C-A-T, cat, I-S, is, O-N, on the mat. M-A-T, mat. The cat is on the mat. T-H-E, the B-O-A-T, boat, is U-N-D-E-R, under the bridge, B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge, B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge. So, where is the boat children? Under the bridge. See, over them children, there is a bridge. So, the boat is under the bridge. Right. So, this side and that side, both the sides, it is opened. So, it is under the bench, under the bridge. Right. Here it is a bridge children. This boat is under this bridge. Now, here, where is the book children? Yes. T-H-E, the B-O-O-K, book is on the table. O-N, on, T-H-E, the table, T-A-B-L-E, table. The book is on the table. Where is the book children? The book is on the table. And here you can see the pup is in the tub. The pup is in the tub. Where is the pup children? The pup is in the tub. T-H-E, the P-U-P, pup, is, I-S, is, I-N, in the tub. The pup is in the tub. Right? So, you also can do the activities children by keeping the things in different positions and you can revise. Okay? So, here read all the sentences children after me. Okay? The hen is on the bed. The man is in the van. The cat is on the mat. The boat is under the bridge. The book is on the table. The pup is in the tub. The ball is under the chair. Where is the ball, children? Under the chair. This is not on the chair, not in the chair, not behind or beside. It is under the chair. The ball, B-A-L-L, ball is under, U-N-D-E-R, under the chair. The ball is under the chair. The B-A-B-Y, baby, birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds, A-R-E-R, in the nest. Baby birds are in the nest. Where are the baby birds, children? They are in the nest. Right? These are the sentences, children. Everyone revise and learn the spellings of I-N, in, and B-E-D, bet, O-N, on, and M-A-T, mat, and here cat you can learn B-O-A-T, boat, U-N-D-E-R, under, B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge. Learn the spellings, children. P-U-P, pup, T-U-B, tub, T-A-B-L-E, table, B-O-O-K, book, B-A-L-L, ball, C-H-A-I-R, chair, B-A-B-Y, baby, B-I-R-D-S, birds, in the nest, N-E-S-T, nest. Learn the spellings, children. We will be writing these sentences in the notebook in tomorrow's class. By the time everyone learn these sentences, children, and learn the spellings. Okay, and here you can learn EVA and van also, children. Okay, so bye bye, and we'll meet in the next class.